So let's start. I have read the description. It says nothing about the base gel, so I am going to try with just a bonder or a primer. And I have not even opened these things. Maybe I should. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm so excited. See? Oh wow, it's... Oh. This is really hard. I guess that's why we have this thing here to squeeze it out with. But this is hard. Really hard. There it comes. Oh wow, no! Wow! Look! That is why it did not came out at the end. No, it ripped. So no. So I managed to put it on my tile here, and I managed to scrape it up and put it back into the gaping hole here. I am so mad. So I just have to take some product from here and try not to cure some in this light and try to keep it tight. But that was such a bummer. Yeah, well, it also comes, the package also comes with this spatula, double-sided spatula. So let's just do my thumb and keep on going. I'm going to pour some slip solution into this tapping dish. Ooh. It says odorless, but it's not odor free. It was not unpleasant when it's coming around the room here, but quite a strong fruity smell. This is the dual form that I'm going to use, and just put a mark on it to see what hand I'm using. So I have prepped it, and I'm going to dehydrate and prime it. And I'm going to take one more coat when I'm ready to put this on. Let's see what we can do with this thing here. I have to open it from the bottom, and take a little scoop out, close it, and I'm going to put that little scoop here. It feels like gum gel. And when it gets tacky or stick to your brush, you use a little bit more of the slip solution. Of course, when you are not getting these perfect beads out from the tip, you get bubbles. I can see that I have a lot of bubbles here because I have messed around with the gel or the PolyGel. It has created a lot of bubbles. Let's see, let's try. It cures in UV lamp for 2 minutes and LED lamp for 30 seconds. That is quite amazing. Push it down, so, well, I almost covered my whole nail here, but I just wanted to try it as a tip also, just for the fun of it. Just scoop out the ones that oozes out and get it straight, of course. Look at that wonky nail. And I need to look underneath because I have pushed a lot of the gel there. So I want to take the slip solution and even that out. Just get it nice and smooth underneath. Guess that is okay. Now I have cured it some. I did not take the time, but I just wanted to cure it so I can get this off, and then I am going to cure it a little bit more since I have had it in this dual form. If I can get it to crack. There it popped up. So here you have it. As you can see, a lot of bubbles because of this hot mess I managed to get. But I'm just going to cure it a minute longer. The longer I cure it, the clearer it gets. Because I can still scrape with my finger underneath. So it's quite soft. I'm going to file it down now. So here it is. Here it is, ready shaped. I was thinking, why not try for once in my life to have coffin shaped nails? Or I have tried it before, but it just looks ridiculous on my nails. It's usually okay on my thumb, but as I go around to these three, it just looks really weird. But let's see. So, and then I thought about doing an infill with a polygel just on top of this, because I wanted this shape. I do not need another form, and put regular dual forms on these ones. And then let's try to get this thing on here. It will be unusual for people who likes to work with acrylic, and unusual for people who likes working with gel. It takes some getting used to. Oh, it is softer than I thought it would be. There is my finished nail before I have cured it. So let's see how this works in the lamp. Let's cure it. So now I have cured it. It is still quite really soft, but I'm going to cure the other nail, so I'm going to stick my hand in there a couple of times, so that's okay. This will probably look a little bit different than the other nails that I am going to do with these. And of course you need to find the dual form that matches each of your fingers or your nails. Ah, I started from the wrong side. Of course I did. That's why the tip felt so wrong. That is... everything is going wrong today. Well, let's cure it. It's not nice from the underneath, but we'll have to take care of that later. So here I am, finished with the sculpting or the dual forms. You can tell that I did not get my side walls all the way down on these tips either, or dual forms either. So it's actually just only the purple one that goes along with my curved nails. Going to try to file it into a ballerina shape, and I'm going to do that off camera. So here I am back. I have filed them. It's quite an unusual shape for me. I am not used to having the stress point right around here. I bumped my nail 2 days ago and I still have a little pain here. I am just used to have a little bit higher C-curve and the stress point longer back, but we will see how this works. And this one is a different shape, as you can see. Here is the shape that I usually use. I will not judge this all the way down in the basement yet, because I want to have it on for how long this lasts. Hopefully a couple of weeks, and then we'll see, and I will be back with my final review of these nails. I have had these on now for about 2 weeks, and as I said, the shape, the C-curve that I got with these tips was not high enough, and so I needed to move the apex closer to my cuticle area, or epinicum, hyponicum, I'm not sure what's right. So I ended up doing a refill, or an infill I mean, with these ones. So I filled up my nails and made a higher apex and just filed the overlay here. And I did that to my thumb also. So, and it went really well with these pink ones in the UV light, so no problems there. I did not try it in the LED, but I cannot see that there is a difference between LED and UV when it comes to these forms. So if you have them, you can use them. So it's just up to you which kind of forms that you can use and want to use. And I also ended up getting a new one. I got a new one finally, with some texting back and forward, or emailing back and forward. I got a new one, luckily, because this one is not sealed, so if it has been a little hot in here, it oozes out in the back. So I'm going to use this as long as I can and then go over to the next one. But I am not sure if this is the product that I'm going to use a lot. I think that this product goes really well together with dual forms. It does not slip all the way, you have time to move it around. But as you say, they are sheer, they are not clear. You can see that, or yeah, this is the only one that has a tip. And it's not clear, it is sheer. I have filed my nails quite a bit down, so it is soft. It is really soft. Can you see that dent there? I have just done that with my nails. I can just sit and do like that and make a huge dent in my nail because it's so soft. And as I said earlier, I'm not sure if I'm going to edit it out, but when you file this thing, you will end up with a clogged file because this is so soft that of course it does not flow around. That's great, the dust, but it just goes straight down. It clogs up, and it clogs up your files. But I am pleasantly surprised that this stays on. This stays on without any lifting for 2 weeks now, and it might be great for beginners. Well, you just have to figure it out, and it's pricey, so that's a real downside. I'm really glad that I tried it out. Or else I would have gone mad. And I know that these works, so I'm really glad that these works. And these dual forms pops out straight away from the nail after you have used it. They just twist off. I guess it is because it is harder. These other ones here, I had a real struggle getting them off. Not sure because it is softer. So this was my review of the trial kit together with the dual forms and different ways to use it, both as a regular top coat also, overlay, infill, whatever, and also as a regular tip. Kind of feel like I have covered it all, so it's up to you to see what you want to use it for. And check my links down below to my other social medias, and give it a comment if you like, and thumbs up if you like, and subscribe if you like, and hit that grey bell if you want to updates on my videos. And I will see you again really soon. Bye bye for now, everybody. Bye bye.